burn them. They look freaking terrifying. Good morning. It is 11:23 and it's Thursday, which means I don't have class today because this semester I don't have class on Thursdays. However, next week is Halloween, and after Halloween is All Saints Day. And because I go to a Catholic school, we have All Saints Day off. This does not mean, however, that I don't have those classes next week on Wednesday. This means that my classes are being moved to this week and next week, but on different days. So I have two classes on Wednesday mornings. One of them is Salvation History, which is my hardest class in terms of homework and quizzes. It is just a harder class because it's all encompassing on the Bible. I think we're reading the entire Bible this semester, definitely all of the Old Testament, plus extra readings. And since that is a foundation of my degree, they obviously want to make sure that I know what I'm doing, so the quizzes are really hard. So yeah, we have the most homework in that class. Well, that class got moved to tomorrow, which means I have 2 weeks worth of homework to do for that class in 1 week. I didn't know that it got moved to Friday. I don't think anyone did. I think that was a development that happened on Monday, which is when I found out. So I'm a little stressed. The other class that I usually take on Wednesdays is next week after the break. So I'm not worried about that. But this week I have a lot of homework to do. So much. And since today is my day off, technically, of school, it means all that homework is going to get done today. So it's going to be a super productive day, hopefully. I have my little to-do list of all the things I have to do. I think I could technically... I completed the Greek quiz. So, all of that. That is 9 books of the Bible, plus some extra readings, a whole other book, like a not Bible book, and some readings from other books as well. So lots of things. So today you're going to follow me along as I do all of those things. And tonight, I was talking with one of my best friends the other week, or this Monday, not the other week, a few days ago. Showed him this list. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. This is crazy. He's like, maybe I could do some of that with you. I was like, okay. You obviously can't do my homework for me, because it's first of all cheating, and second of all, I need this knowledge in my noggin. But he's going to try to accompany me and do as much of it as he can, so we can talk about it tonight. So I'm excited to see how that goes. That also means I need to actually do some of it for that reason, and obviously that I need to be knowledgeable about it. And I have class tomorrow and quizzes tomorrow. So much to do. Welcome to grad school. But without further ado, let's get into the studying video. Hello, it is Friday, so I'm off to school, my backpack on and everything. I did get to do a little bit of a late start today, which was really nice. Since we only have class at my voice today, oh my gosh. Class at 2. I don't have to be there till 2, which means that I can leave at 10, which is right now. I did have a Zoom meeting this morning, which is why I'm already up and at 'em, but now we're just gonna go to class. I'm gonna go to Starbucks first because I'm tired. I don't normally have class on this day, and it's my kind of least favorite class that I have twice this week, so I'm going, let's get some better lighting. Nope, that's not better. I'm going to get myself some Starbucks as a reward for doing this because that makes sense. Grad school logic. I didn't get as much done yesterday as I would have liked to, but I am happy with how much I did get done. I was productive. It just didn't happen that I got as much done as I wanted to. That was not because I was procrastinating. It was just what happened. So I'm gonna go and do some more of that before class starts. I do have some time, and then it is what it is. Guys, look at this view. Look at the mountains. Whoa. Guys. Coffee acquired. Starbucks is popping today. Oh my gosh. I got the last parking spot.
How does the Davidic relationship between David's house and God relate to Israel's promises in Abraham, in Moses? How does Jeremiah's new covenant relate to the previous ones?
This is the scariest shortcut. This is so sketchy, but it is a legitimate way to get to class.
My friend and I then decided to go to a boba shop that was near to campus to study for a while, and obviously we were being incredibly productive based on all the laughter. When I got home, I just worked on this reading by Pope John Paul II on the Rosary before I went to bed. I was very tired at the end of the day.
You're amazing. He's great. You're awesome. I would like to see other people on my dances.
No. I realize it's not private, but I want to... Why? I want you to work, please. It's not very helpful to print if it's out of paper. Well, I was going to try to print my notes, but I realized they only print in black and white, and the printer's out of paper anyway, so I guess that's fine. I look a little scary, but cupcakes. I made ghost cupcakes. I started by attaching the eyeballs with white chocolate, but quickly discovered that if I burn them, they look freaking terrifying. And it's much easier because melted marshmallow is sticky. So I have some real fun ghosts. Might give some people some nightmares, but that's okay. Hello. I have moved to the library. In hopes that I can focus better here. It is completely empty, which is so nice. Although I do hear voices, so maybe it won't be for that much longer. But the plan is to study these flashcards. These are all the new flashcards I just made, in case anyone was wondering. And then I'm going to print out my notes from Greek and copy them and study them. Because I do have a quiz today in Greek. Why do I hear voices? Am I going crazy? Anyway, I'm going to study those notes because I do have a quiz today. And that's the plan. Printing took like 12 years, but I have everything. I printed out some parsing practice so I can study for the quiz, and then all of the notes I've taken so far, because I've been taking them on my iPad, but I prefer taking them in a notebook. So I'm just going to transfer my iPad notes to the notebook that I already bought for Greek. I just need to actually use it. So I have all of my beautiful notes. They're not that beautiful, but I have them finally. And that's what I'm going to be doing until I leave for the Halloween party tonight and after. Greek is just always a recurring thing I need to study. She's a nun on the run. A nun on the run. Oh, the costume is falling apart. But yeah, I just got done with the All Saints Day party and I'm going home. There's a reflection of the costume. And then on your pants. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching what it's like to have Halloween and also be a grad student, especially in the school setting that I have. I hope to see you in future videos and have a great day. Bye!